we just got into a state park off of this beautiful river. We're gonna go see another waterfall, but this is another walkway and another bridge we're on. I can't believe they just built this for a walkway. This had to have been something else, right? This is massive for just a walkway.
I know, it is.
Look at that view. Wow. This is an awesome river for kayaking and canoeing, rafting, fishing. It just goes on and on. It is beautiful. And then over here, can't see with all the trees, but there's people tent camping all along the river. Just beautiful. Now we're going to head to another waterfall. So we are heading off to Smith Falls outside of Valentine, Nebraska. This is a state park connected to a national flowage area. Refuge. What do you call it? Refuge? Refuge. I don't know if you guys can hear that in the background, but you can hear we can hear the water fall pretty clearly. All right. Another path leading up to a waterfall here. Got to follow the trail. I think it's taking us to the top. Oh, wow. See what's over here. Oh wow, look at this. Huh. That's beautiful. Oh my God, is that beautiful or what? There you have it, Smith Falls.